Welcome to TS Teacher Eligibility Test English. Today we are going to learn phrasal verbs, one of the most important topics for your exam. Verb is a combination of a verb and a preposition or adverb. The meaning is different from the original verb. Phrasal verbs are of two types, transitive and intransitive. Transitive phrasal verbs need an object. For example, look after the child. Here, the child is the object. Intransitive phrasal verbs do not need an object. For example, the plane took off. To identify easily, ask what or whom after the verb. If you get an answer, it is transitive. In separable phrasal verbs, we can separate the object. For example, turn off the light or turn the light off. In inseparable phrasal verbs, we cannot separate the object. For example, look after the baby. If you can move the object, it is separable. If not, it is inseparable. Look at the sentence, she gave up smoking. What is the meaning of give up? Think for a moment. The correct answer is stop. Give up means to stop doing something. Read the sentence, he ran into his friend at the market. What is the meaning of ran into? Think for a moment. The correct answer is met unexpectedly. Run into means to meet someone by chance. Let's quickly revise what we learned. A phrasal verb is a combination of a verb and a preposition or adverb. There are two types, transitive and intransitive. Some are separable and some are inseparable. Remember, meanings are different from the original verb. Always understand the full phrase.